September 18, 2018. In Syria, a Russian warplane was shot down by Syrian air defenses, killing all 15 people on board. The Russian president says a chain of tragic and chance circumstances caused the incident. In Switzerland, the United Nations calls for an investigation of Myanmar's military for genocide against the Rohingya ethnic group. Heavy rains in Nigeria caused the Niger and Benue rivers to flood, killing more than 100 people. And in South Africa, the top court rules that private, personal cannabis use is legal.